Alright, so this is Miss Tanya coming to you live from my bathroom, just on some old mentoring hype. Listen, take a moment to just reflect on how much money you make, whether you're doing hair or not. And please, 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 please listen to reason when I say you gotta save money. You gotta save some of the money. Don't go through life making thousands of dollars of money that we make from behind the chair and not save any of it, because things like this morning is gonna hit you as well in life, which is, it's the first of the month, y'all. This weekend that hits on the first of every month, we know it is the most important weekend of the month, before and the first, because we gotta make our rent. You know, there's a lot of obligations that are due on the first of the month. Well, I don't want y'all to be like me and spending the money just as fast as you make it, always running and getting something to take the money, right? An obligation, whether it be a payment on a cell phone, whether it's a payment on some darn, you know what I'm saying, product or something. It's always something. Save your money. My father just got taken to the hospital this morning, and I'm tripping because I have minimal money saved, not enough to cancel the whole day today like I want to. We ain't got no sick time behind the chair. We ain't got no paid vacation, no personal time off, no bereavement time, none of that. So my father is in the hospital, and I have to go in, oh my God, and be Miss Tanya when I'm truthfully, internally tripping. So don't be like me, because this is very agonizing to not be able to be there with my dad, because I gotta go do work. I gotta go do hair. So please, this topic and this video is a part of my mentoring that I provide those that hire me, and they know how productive our conversations are. Mentorship is the biggest value and component to leveling up, because you need somebody that has already gone through what you're going through in order to gain their perspective, which is gonna help you. So I encourage you today, if you're interested in hiring me, a holistic hair and scalp restoration practitioner, as your mentor, let me know. Click the link below. Deuces.